is with a bunch of these appliances, but the Kenmore ones always seem to be the ones that fail a lot. And that's where my point comes from. The name badge just fell off, and it's still sticky. I might stick that to my fridge. Ooh, copper. Thing's got to be more expensive than the other one I smashed. Wait. Fancy switch. Lost. Look at that. None of the Freon gas that I already accidentally released in here. What a shame that this mini fridge actually worked, but its stupid handles are made of cheap plastic. You can't repair them easily. I'm just gonna scrap it, destroy it, get a bunch of people angry at me for not giving it away for free when I tried to sell it. Fancy compressor. So dangerous. Can't wait to get a million angry comments. Just like how a plumber would do it. And that's the end of this video. Saying goodbye to the mini fridge. Oh, wait a minute. I barely even smashed the door. Silly me. How could I forget? Trying to assault me? This thing is cheap. That's the end of that.